Hello, my name is Stuart, and I'm a landscaper trained by a golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. And today I'm in Lynnwood, Washington, and I'm going to thatch this lawn here. And this is an existing client of mine again. And I just wanted to show you this property before I thatch it. And then I'm going to rake it up into piles. And I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. I've worked for this client probably for about 10 years now. And this lawn has a bunch of poa grass in here. It's turning white down here. And I'm going to come back probably in October or mid-September. I'm not sure what. We haven't set the date yet. And I'm going to aerate, seed, and fertilize this lawn. And so this is going to be what I call a foliar deal. I'm going to renovate this lawn is what I'm doing. Yeah, but today I am just thatching. Obviously, the client has an irrigation system. It's been marked before I even showed up, and because I've worked for this client many times before, and the client has my irrigation flags. Those are the blue ones, and I'm going to get to work here, and then I'll show you my results of the work afterwards. Once again, this is Stuart with the Aerating-Thatching company, and thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Bye-bye. Hello, this is Stuart again. And I've just got done thatching this lawn here. And over here on the side here, I had to be pretty darn careful not to tear it up too bad. I did go over it twice, but still, I had to be very, very careful on that slope, not to just destroy this lawn here. I'm using a thatching machine with a power rake, and it has steel blades underneath there that swing around very, very quickly. And have to be very careful with the adjustments and everything. But I just wanted to show you real quick what this lawn looks like after it's been thatched. Here's part of the yard that I've already raked here, and I used a debris rake on here. There's a finer lawn rake right there, and I've got all these rakes and things up for sale on my Amazon store. You can find a link probably down below the description of this video here. Once again, this is Stuart with the Aerating-Thatching company. Hey, thanks for watching the video. Bye-bye.